It was just a day in May, like any other day. Around the world, men and women listened for news of the pandemics that were spreading from continent to continent, claiming lives by the thousands and tens of thousands, changing families, towns, and cities forever, challenging doctors, scientists, public health officials, and local leaders to engage and solve monumental problems using existing resources. Fueled by intelligence, resilience, and hope. In Milan, near the city center, a 38-year-old public health physician and researcher stood with 100 or so families in the garden of a worn but venerable estate. Having spent the spring clearing overgrowth, restoring flower beds, replacing window panes, and painting woodwork, they gathered on a Saturday in May to prune herbs, plant seeds, make music and share food, and to dedicate another house to the service of children. The first Casa dei Bambini outside the city of Rome. Via Solari, Milan, 1908.
We have all been afraid. There has been good reason to be. But don't believe that our story ends there. We are so much more than the sum of our fear. Come, let us protect and guide our children, that in their joyous company we may finally learn the meaning of hope. Dottoressa Maria Montessori, Milan, 1908.
So we gather each year on a day late in May to learn again from the children in our care what it means to be curious, to look after one another, and to hope. Via Solari 2021, Maria's House, Montessori, Doylestown. It was just a day in May, like any other day.